All right, guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're working with a shark. There's a suction issue, so we're gonna try to diagnose it and see what's causing it. But if you're having one of these at home and you can't identify what's going on, let's see if we can follow this procedure and see if we can discover the problem. Okay, so stick around. Okay, crew. So let's get started. Let's take this off. First thing, we're going to examine the dustbin. You want to make sure that you have no real issue. Really what you're looking for is to make sure that this area here is clear. You're also looking to make sure that you have nothing, no debris in this section. So this guy's okay. All right, let's move him to the side. All right, next up. We're gonna check our filters. It can use a little vacuuming, but honestly, the way it looks right now, it shouldn't be a major issue. But for the sake of doing the right thing here, let's see if we can kind of clear this up, clear this out. Okay, and then let's check it again. Oh. While we're at it, let's do this guy right. He goes first. This guy goes second. All right, let's try it again. Turn it on. Okay, the problem persists. So let's turn it on and see what sound we're hearing and what's causing this problem. Now the sound is coming from right here, okay? The moment you turn it on, you hear this kind of the strain right here. All right, that's really that's a mechanism that is built into this motor cavity here that is designed to protect the motor from overheating, overworking, the whole deal. And that's kind of to let you know that you have a suction problem somewhere in the system. So let's find it. Next step is going to be let's take the handle off. Okay, so let's do that. So we have the handle off right here. Okay, and let's check it. Let's see what we got. Handle is fine. Okay, well the pistol grip, you know what I mean. So really what we have is the motor is okay, the bin is okay, the hose is okay. The next step is going to be this wand. So let's release the wand, okay? And let's hook it up back to the wand now. And now we only have the wand to deal with. Let's turn it on again. The wand is okay. All right, so the only thing left, guys and gals, is let's hold on. Let's see if I can do this right. Is the nozzle area. So let's do this. Let's get everything off. Okay, I just want to properly disconnect everything here. And the only thing we have left is this nozzle. So let's see if we can figure that out. Okay, so now I took the hose out because let me show you. Because I just don't want the hose to be in the way while I'm doing this. So I'm just going to press this button here. Let me just kind of tilt this a little bit for you. And I'm just going to press this and pull this out, okay? So we want to separate this from here. Let's get all these guys out the way that we know is not a part of the problem, okay? And the only thing we have left to work with is this whole section right here, okay? Let's see. So let's find out what's happening. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up, all right? All right, guys. So let's see. Let's remove this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We didn't have to go far. We didn't have to look far. Really and truly, we didn't have to look far. Okay, this is what I'm going to attempt to do. I believe I have a rod. This is one of my old golf clubs that, look at that, the shaft came off. Hit it so hard, the club head came off, right? Either that or the club head was cheap, so anyway. So let's try to push this out. Let's see if we can do that. And I'm doing it as straight as I can because, wow, there's a lot in here. So no, let's not do that then. Yeah, so it's backed up all the way up to here. I can feel it here. Okay, so we have to pull this out from both sides. All right. Now, if you have a needle nose pliers, or honestly something like a you know, like a hanger with a twist on it, something with a twist, so when you can twist and pull. That's kind of the route we want to take here right now. Okay, so let's start with the front. We're gonna use the pliers. I have another one, a bigger one here. We're gonna start pulling this stuff out. Look at all this. Okay, so I can't reach anymore, right? Okay, so can we reach the top? No, we can't. So now the top is where you would need like that pull. But let's see if because I moved those, let's see if I can move it down some. Maybe I can move it down a little bit. Don't press too hard. You don't want to poke a hole through the hose. Oh, look at that. And I can tell you what caused the problem. All of that came out. Take a look. All of that. All of this here was in here. But this guy, I believe this guy's a culprit. So someone vacuumed this up, and what happens when you vacuum stuff like this up, it gets lodged like in a corner, like, you know, like lodged like that in the hose, and then everything else that comes after it just backs up, and that's how clogs happen. So for this particular unit, it looks like we solved this problem. Let's check it out. Let's put everything back together and see if we're victorious. Okay. All right. Turn this back around. All right. Let's put everybody back together again. Here we go. We got this guy right here. He goes straight down, and we have this guy right here. He goes on. Okay. Pull this guy up. All right, so this guy goes on, and then we're gonna put the hose back in the back here, because like I said, I want to get it out the way. And let's see if that sound comes back. Let's check it out. Turn it on. Excelente, man. All right, and we're good to go. That solved the problem, folks. Thanks for tuning in. All right. If you have a system like this, you just go follow the procedures that you just saw here, and you should be able to find your suction problem, okay? All right, until next time, stay tuned in. Come back for more, folks, all right? And subscribe. Thank you.